Ever wondered what makes Thanksgiving dinner so special? It's the side dishes. Just like in a magical story, where the main character is surrounded by a cast of colorful supporting characters, our Thanksgiving dinner is no different. The turkey, as majestic and delicious as it is our main character. But the side dishes, they're the supporting cast that make our turkey shine even brighter. Imagine a table filled with creamy mashed potatoes, buttery rolls, tangy cranberry sauce, and sweet, sweet pumpkin pie. Each one is like a little magic spell, adding its own unique flavor and charm to the grand feast. They create a symphony of tastes that dance on your tongue and fill your tummy with warmth and joy. And just like a good story, a Thanksgiving dinner wouldn't be complete without them. So buckle up. We are about to embark on a delicious journey through the realm of Thanksgiving side dishes. Now prepare your taste buds as we dive into the world of the best side dishes that make Thanksgiving extra special. First up on our flavorful adventure are the creamy, dreamy mashed potatoes. Can you imagine Thanksgiving without them? They're like the soft, fluffy clouds of the dinner table, ready to rain deliciousness onto your plate. Did you know the secret to the best mashed potatoes is a pinch of love and a dash of warm milk? Next, we have the vibrant green bean casserole. It's like a little garden on your plate, isn't it? But this isn't any ordinary garden. This is a garden filled with crunchy green beans, creamy mushroom soup, and a sprinkle of crispy fried onions on top. Can you smell the aroma of that baked casserole? Let's not forget about the sweet and tangy cranberry sauce. It's the bright red jewel of Thanksgiving, adding a pop of color and a burst of flavor to your meal. Did you know cranberries are one of the few fruits native to North America? They're a true Thanksgiving original. And oh, the sweet potato casserole. It's like dessert, but for dinner. With its soft, sweet potatoes, sweet brown sugar, and a layer of toasted marshmallows on top, it's a sugary dream come true. Imagine the marshmallows melting into the sweet potatoes. It's a symphony of sweetness. Last but not least, we have stuffing, the heart and soul of Thanksgiving. It's a mix of bread, celery, onions, and herbs, all baked to perfection. It's like a little surprise package filled with flavor. Some people even like to cook it inside the turkey. And there you have it, the superstar side dishes that make Thanksgiving a feast to remember. But wait, the fun is not over yet. How about we end this culinary adventure with a catchy Thanksgiving side dish rhyme? Sweet potatoes roasted in a pan, a favorite side dish across the land. Green bean casserole, oh so fine, makes Thanksgiving dinner truly divine. Cranberry sauce, both tart and sweet, a Thanksgiving meal just isn't complete. Without stuffing, oh so savory, it's a dish we savor quite majorly. Brussels sprouts, roasted to a crisp, add a crunch with every lisp. Creamed corn so smooth and bright brings a touch of pure delight. Rolls of bread, warm and soft, lift our spirits aloft. Pumpkin pie, oh what a treat, a perfect ending, oh so sweet. From start to finish, it's quite clear, these side dishes bring us cheer. They're the heart of our feast, so let's make a toast to Thanksgiving sides we love the most. So next time you sit down for Thanksgiving dinner, don't forget to give a cheer for these side dishes, the unsung heroes of the feast.